Now, the biggest problem that Indian entrepreneurs are stuck with is that where to start this journey of Industry 4, why to start and how to start. Now, how to start, you have thrown some light, but where to start and why to start is the biggest question mark, which is confronted right in the beginning. Why should I do it, and where to start?
Sure.
So, any tips on that?
I think in any new technology, new field, you are going to find a typical product life cycle. Initially they are going to be innovators, then the early adopters, and then the other guys. So these innovative people or innovators or visionaries, they are driving the industry 4.0 in India at this time, in my opinion. So we're in the very initial phases. The implementations which are happening in India, they are all driven by the visionary people who are curious that if I get this data live, I can do so many things. So those are the people. Now, those people are, they are motivated by themselves. I wish this technology was there long back, I could have done so much. So now big technology is giving them this power. So they are driving these implementations which we see today. So this is one factor, is they are, if we talk about pull and push, so they are the pullers. They are pulling the technology, the products, the vendors to do a good job for themselves. Then, so this is one motivation factor, is why they should do it, because this is enabling them to do a lot of things. Then we talk about the push. I have seen a push coming from the international customers. They are pushing our manufacturers or our industry to adopt certain technologies. And traceability is one such example. They are pushing for greater traceability of processes or the products. So what goes in my vehicle, I want to know how it was made, on which machine it was made, and all those other things. So there is a push, and which is bringing a lot of change. This is the why factor of some people going for Industry 4.0. The second push is government policies. So BS6 has certain traceability elements in there. So if you want to produce BS6 parts, you have to have certain. So that is another. And third is Indian OEMs. I'm working with multiple Indian OEMs, and they are pushing their vendors for start supplying some real-time data in terms of quality or product and all. So these are some other reasons why they should be doing it. But if we summarize everything, I think my way to say why somebody should do it, right now, we as our nation, we are trying to become global manufacturing hub. And in India, I would say it is still, the level playing field for all the manufacturers. So the technology, the industry 4.0 or industrial IoT is going to make or break the things for a lot of people. So if you want to grab the opportunity which is coming on your way in terms of international orders, export orders, you should utilize the technology to become more cost effective, to become more efficient, and to impress the international clients that, I'm ready for your order. I am not, the typical Indian manufacturer who, we have the image of, Jugaadu type image.
Yes, yes.
वो सब नहीं है. I am modern factory now. So that's where the reason is, you should think long term कि मुझे क्यों करना है. मुझे इसलिए करना है because I have tremendous opportunity sitting in front of me, and I want to grab that opportunity. Before कि another way to look at it is, right now, Industry 4.0 is a luxury. It's like a vitamin. ले ली तो ले ली, नहीं भी ली तो कोई problem नहीं. Before it becomes painkiller,
Yes.
तब तो लेना ही पड़ेगा.
Yes.
So reason why we should think about it is before it becomes too late.
So today, do you think it is driven more by push or more by pull? in India?
I would say 50-50.
50-50.
But I would rather work with the pullers because that's where
And
मजा उन्हीं के साथ आता है.
overseas market, what is the difference? Is it more by push or pull?
That's where very different. We don't do Industry 4.0 in overseas as of yet.
Yeah.
But I would say they are more driven by technology. So there would be more pull. That's my guess.
Okay.